Good morning, guys. Today we have dead L120 here. Dead, and the supply is okay because you can hear the spark module there. And we will follow up by testing the supply there. That the supply is really okay. We have we have 42 volts there, folks. That means the supply is okay, and we can hear a spark there. But when we power the device, folks, it will not power. You can see it. Oh, sorry. No power for the board. No power. We can see a waste here in the board. Waste, insect waste, like mga dumi ng mga insekto, cockroaches, etc. So we'll remove this, guys. We'll remove this board. Flex first. Naka-simple to, diba? Relax siya, good. Ay, good tayo magkundi. Remove this. And also we need to remove the screw first and foremost. Ugma raw ulit ito. Ugma sa mod to. Okay. Nas mama dito, inadaan. Namuli ka ron. Muli ko ron. Nambalik ka? Oo, natod lang ko. Ano sa'yo natod mo? Bugas. Magpalit sa mama di ay? Oo. Sige, inadaan to, mama, muli ko. So guys, let's continue about our chat. Chika here, guys. We're removing the board. After we remove all the screw, folks, remove all the red wires, and also we need to remove the sensor in the hair, sensor roller sensor, guys. So is that situation there. You can see that there is very dirty there. Some kind of waste for the parts. We got a really corroded parts here, folks. That is that may be causing. Ugma to.
Karon man.
Nandili oy. No, very dirty, guys. Very dirty. And we have a talkative. I have a talkative cousin here, guys. So sorry for that. You can see that the parts are very dirty, guys. So we'll clean this using the lighter fluid. We'll be back. Hello, guys. As you can see, very dirty board. Lots of waste. Mga tae ng mga insekto, guys. As you can see there. Also here, very clear. Let's check. Very dirty waste, and the parts components are corroded at the back, so we need to clean, folks. Very simple. Not very simple. We need to clean using the supersonic lighter fluid. You can buy this on your favorite store. Don't worry, washing that with that one there very noisy is my brother, guys. So don't shower there. just clean it like no one's watching you guys. There are really very hard tahi here. You can see tahi, very hard to remove, but we will try to remove that with love. I'll be back after I'm cleaning this, guys, because the video will be very long. By the way, guys, I'm back with the soap. I just washed the board totally, guys. Also the sensor. But make sure after washing, guys, that you will really dry up the board, because you could damage major parts. Don't you worry, guys, I've done this many times in my life. I'll wash with water, guys. I'll be back. So the board is wet due to the water washing module. You have to wipe that, guys, very gently. I will remove this camera so you can see bring the camera. So guys, after that we have to go to the outside world, and then we need to try this thing here. If you have a hot air, you can use it, guys, but I don't want to waste electricity, guys. So I'll be back after 20 minutes. Or yeah, 20. Okay, guys, I'm done drying the board there. I think it was 1 hour, so I'm gonna install this. Okay, we're done. We're done installing, guys, so I'll try to test. There. We have power, guys. We have power, guys. That's good. Good to hear, folks. It's good to hear those sounds. So guys, that is really nice to hear. That is the same board, folks. Very dirty. So if this will stop blinking, so that means this okay. I will not view the whole video. I will record the whole video. Sometimes the problem is grounded or short. There is some kind of a protection circuit there, protection circuit that will shut down the unit, shut down the board in order to protect itself from damaging. So unless you will clean that, you will get clean all the boards and that short circuit there. It will not power unless you clean that. But some instance, guys, also in the worst case, it will damage the board. But this case is good. So I'm gonna clean the whole printer there. I'm gonna wait that to stable. So that's stabilized, folks. So I think it's now okay. I'm gonna turn it off one time. Okay, I will clean this after I will install the case and I will power on. I'll be back. Anyway, guys, I decided to clean using ink flashing ink, so the output is now good. So thank you for watching.